Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to get your Claude API key. So two things first. One, you'll need an Anthropic Console account. Now don't confuse this for the Claude.ai account. This is a separate account with Claude or Anthropic. So for example, when you go to platform.claude.com, you're going to be asked to sign up. Now you can use the same email address that you have for your Claude.ai account, but it is a separate console and web login. So we'll need a platform.claude.com account, and also we'll need to prepay for credits. This is a separate fee or subscription from your Claude AI subscription. So Claude API keys are available even for people that have a free Claude account, but it is a separate subscription and you do need to prepay for all credits used through the Claude console. Okay, so first off, you're going to go to platform.claude.com and you're going to go ahead and sign in. If you don't have an account, just go ahead and create one. And then once you're here, the first thing you're going to have to do is add credits to your account. And so I can't demo this since I already have credits on my account, but you will need to prepay. Now you can pay as little as $5 to get started, but you will need to put a credit balance there so that as you use the API key and use Claude in the background of your application or wherever this API key is being used, they need a prepaid amount of credit on your account to be able to utilize the service. So go ahead and add your credit card or pay for credits however you wish, and it might be a good reminder. I have mine set to not auto reload at this point. I don't want it automatically charging me as soon as the credits run out. Now that may be different for you. If it's in production, you may wish to have that auto reload. Okay, so once you're there and you have your credit, then you come down here to API keys, or if you go back to the app, you can click get an API key there, or come under manage API keys. A lot of places will show you go under manage API keys, and you can see an API key that I've already created here. And I would recommend creating different API keys for each workspace or application that you're using for a couple reasons. One, it's the most secure to have a different API key. You can think of it as a password for each application. That way, if you need to change out an API key, it doesn't impact all your applications. Also, one thing to keep in mind, your API keys are like passwords. Do not share those with anybody, and you do want to document them. So if I click create key here, and you can name your, so we're just going to call it test here. Go ahead and hit add. And so here's the API key. You do want to copy it and record it in a safe place, maybe a password manager or something like that, because you won't be able to view it again. So once you hit copy key and close out of this, you won't be able to see that anymore. So a good idea would be to save that somewhere and never share that publicly. It is like giving your password away for your account. Okay, now that you have your API key, you can then go ahead and enter it into whatever application you're creating or workflow. If you have any questions on how to use an API key or how to access this console, feel free to post those comments in the section below. Thank you for watching.